Baked Bananas Gabon. A dessert from Gabon. Serves 4. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Beat egg with orange juice. Dip bananas in egg mixture and then breadcrumbs. Step 2. Heat vegetable oil in a sauté pan. Sauté the bananas only until they begin to brown lightly. Step 3. Place on a cookie sheet pan with a spatula and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Step 4. Serve 1 banana per guest in compote dishes, topping each with sour cream and brown sugar. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.